Good morning, beautiful people. This is the Utopian Wanderer, live from Chile, Pucon. Finally, I've made it to a new country after spending almost 3 months, more than 3 months, in Argentina. Whoa, almost slid. So you can tell there's a lot of snow around me. It's right now 7:15, 7:20 a.m. Just look at that landscape first. The colors of this sky are just wow, mind-blowing. But anyway, the objective today is this guy, the Villarica volcano, which you can tell it's active, like there's smoke coming out of the top of it. It's there's lava at the top. 2,800 meters if I recall. Yeah, we're gonna walk all the way to the top, which is fun. Like, the guys are getting ready. And yeah, the climb should take about 6 hours more or less. So fun times indeed. I'll keep checking on you guys, or you guys will keep checking on me throughout the climb. Signing out for the time being. We'll see each other soon, I hope. Alright guys, so we've been at it for about an hour or so, and so we stopped to put the crampons on. There you can see, yep. I got a friend here, met a pretty good friend, and the view is just... I think you can tell the view is pretty stupidly beautiful. But there's still a way to go, so off we go.
Hello.
Alright guys, so it's been... piece of ice just fell off. So it's been about 2 hours that we've been climbing up. We're just stopping for brekkie, as you can see, with the one of the most wonderful views that I've got to experience during my trip so far. This is just unbelievable. So we climbed about 400-500 meters, so from 1,300 to 1,800. And the top is 2,800. So you make the calculations easy. There's still 1 kilometer to go up. We're about 25% of the way, which isn't too bad, but still plenty more to go. So next stop is in about 1 hour. We're gonna be lunching or something close to lunching. But yeah, just keep it up. I'm having blisters already, but hey, so be it. Enjoy. Alright, we've reached the 2,000 meter mark. Just behind me is an old chairlift that was destroyed in the eruption of 1971. There was a lava river that came out of the volcano all the way here, and now it's being used as a refuge. So yeah, 2,000 meters, 800 to go. We climbed about 700 in that case, so almost halfway through in terms of height. Not in terms of walking. Still a fair bit to go, but wow. The view again. I think a hell of a time here. A hell of a time. Alright guys, just 1 more hour to go, more or less. We can almost touch it. It's just behind me. We are 2,800 meters right now. Taking another break. Say hi to the boys. Hello, Harry. About 2,800 meters. Not much to go. So yeah, last stop before we get up there. Looking forward to it. The view is just the best view I've ever seen, ever. Almost there, 15-20 minutes to go. You could smell the sulfur coming out of the volcano. That strong rotten smell. Yeah, the last part was a bit slower because our guide Diego. I had to pretty much open a path. The snow and the ice.
Our main
That's in
man,
here.
MVP.
But yeah, 15-20 minutes to go, and we'll be to the top. Normally. Bro, they cannot hear me! We made it! Fuck. That's it, guys. Made it to the top of Villarica. That's it, guys. Made it to the top of Villarica. Check it out. Can you see the lava down there? This is just wonderful. Look. It's like a monster of nature. That was grueling, that was hard, but especially the last 200 meters. Almost thought I couldn't make it, but I did. Now we're just waiting for the others to come up. I'm just gonna spend a bit of time here and then we're gonna slide almost all the way down. Still got a bit down from now on. That was amazing. Loving it. That's a lifetime. So we just began our way down. Just walking so far, and then soon we're gonna be sliding. Soon, maybe now. That's steep. That's fucking steep.